Replacing the filters for the first time, for me it was somewhat challenging. The manual says pull it out about 30 degrees, rotate it counterclockwise and remove the filter. But for me, in my case, I felt that the filter was stuck. I couldn't rotate and I couldn't remove the filter. I tried finagling it every which way, didn't work out. So after removing it, I figured out that you have to apply more torque, more rotational force, rotating it counterclockwise, and the filter will push itself out of the system. So I'm not pulling it, I'm just rotating. So I'm just rotating counterclockwise and then it comes out on its own. When it comes out, be prepared that some water may be still in the system. It will drip here, and the filter itself is filled with water. So expect some water to come out. Don't just flip it over. Installing the new filter is quite easy. Remove the cap. Don't forget removing the cap. You don't even have to align it properly. It clicks into position every half turn. So it slides into position and then you start rotating clockwise. There is no click. You just align the markers and the filter is installed.